These men you see, nobody celebrates them.
Yes.
We celebrate the Mother's Day, we celebrate the Women's Day, we celebrate all the other days. But I'm very sure many of you did not know today is International Men's Day. Wow. So we have come to celebrate our own, and we will continue every year to talk and to say that the men too are humans. And they love to be loved, they love to be celebrated, and we must celebrate them all the time.
Yes.
And that is why today, as we came here, I came to talk about my office. As you have heard many times, I am always saying that the boy child is a seed carrier and he must be taken care of. Yes, they may have erred and they have gone astray. They may have taken the bangi, they may have taken the bruise, they may have taken vero and whatever else they are taking. But they are still our children. They are sick. We need now to change their lives. It is you and I, whoever is listening, that we need to be able to change their lives. And that is why we are here taking care of them and telling them that we love them. For me, I'm their mother, and I don't mind being seen with them. I don't mind just hanging around with them. They make a difference in my life, and I love them.
We love you, Mom.
Do you love me?
We love you, Mom. We love you so much, Mom.
Right now, I think things are changing, because when we started the advocacy, people were saying it is impossible. But now you can see the government has a goodwill where they are now working to make sure that the illicit blues and all these drugs are being eradicated. And you can see now the campaign, it's not only us who are doing it, but it is being done by administration, it is being done by leadership, and also the church, the clergy across Kenya. Not only in the churches, but also with the Hindus and the Muslims. And that is why we are saying it is only us who can offer the solution. This crisis that is in this country, it's not going to be resolved by anybody else. The solution are with us. And the communities must start to accept and to know the reality of this drug abuse and substance abuse and know the way to get it out. And you can see where we are in this Kerwa Revival Center. We already have people who are changing and they are being transformed. So it's possible. The other thing is that you may find that in the last many months that we have been working, we have had transformation of very many boys. You saw me graduating about 200 of them. We have others that we are just about to graduate this week. And that means things are changing and God is working. You know, every time I say that if you want a solution to some of the greatest crises that we have faced and we have used so much money, we need a male conversation. We need to talk to our men concerning this FGM. And the moment you talk to their fathers, you talk to the elders. And the elders, they speak to their sons and they tell them to marry women without a cut. That thing will end like a flash. The following day, it is not going to be there. Because they just need to be sensitized, and we need to be sensitive to them. Let us explain to them why these things should not happen, and then they will be able to carry the campaign for us, men to men.
The society, the parents of us, many people see us and they want to just draw us away. Indeed, Mom is standing in this campaign of fighting for the rights of a boy child. We realize that we are the pillars. We are the pillars of this nation and the world. Only if you are embraced, only if you are shown that indeed we belong and we carry the seed of this generation. Yes, we are reforming, with Mom standing with us and the church. We are so grateful that indeed we've started this walk of transformation and being empowered by the church and being empowered by Mom. Our Mom, we love you so much, and we stand that we not let you down. We are willing to change so that we can show others example. Mama Vijana, we are so grateful with the work you've been doing across the country. We've seen you on social media. We've been seeing you and following you and seeing the great work. Our fellow boys are committing suicides. This is brought about by drug. drug abuse.
Tunaweza chukua hizo certificate.
Don't only cry, rescue me, give me a car, give me a house. Like it's a supermarket. That is not what God answered. While Samuel was still sacrificing the burnt offering, the Philistines, God, in the presence of God there is worship. We have worshipped our God. Now, anyone, I was just talking to the clergy of Mount Kenya the day before yesterday. Muikarĩtio gũkũ thĩinĩ na arĩa angĩ makuage kũrĩa na njohi cia ibango na wona kuma haha wothe mwahoya Ngai wanyu ũrĩa makahunjĩrio. Ndauga Jesu gũtirĩ hĩndĩ wamũkoraga atũrĩte kanitha wa Jerusalem. There was not much time that is preaching there. He was the high priest. He could have just gone there and forgotten the others. You found him with the leprotic people healing them. How are we serving God as a church? Crusades shared conferences shared, nema bishop, nema pastors. And you come with all your people. But now we need to get out of bed and go out of the comfort zone. Too many and these people, the presence of God to be with you is to go back to God. We are told these people went back to God with repentance. In the second, in 1 Samuel, chapter 7, to cleanse ourselves from unclean